We had done an experiment with a health plan that was, in this case, obviously national, looking across a lot of different states. And we wanted to see what the difference was of using a sticker to promote a call to action in addition to the rest of that ID card letter kit versus if we didn't use that sticker. And again, like this is just one of those places where you can get blown away by doing some simple testing. If we had a response rate of, I'm just looking at that top left of Massachusetts being, call it a 5% versus maybe a 13 or 14% just by adding that sticker, that suddenly starts to be a huge lever that's really easily at our disposal in terms of driving a population towards a certain action. Now, when we apply this at scale, you start to say we might literally have tens of thousands more people complete that action just by doing something pretty fundamentally simple from an administration process. Those are the low hanging fruit opportunities, and those are the do more with less types of opportunities that we want all of our clients to realize are out there. And maybe we'll go one more past this.